Royston. Happy to see you. I just hammered a ring shape like this. Okay. It's like this way. Then I'm going to use the piece of the wire to wrap the beads on. Okay, yeah. Happy to see you, my friends. Hi, Yoni. I'm used the wire 0.3. Okay. Hello, sunshine. Happy to see you. We will use this clear quarter beads here. This one. First, we are going to wrap the top. Wrap and wrap it here. String of beads. String the very small clear quarter here. Thank you. It's here to wrap the wire, and we'll wrap it around this stone. So it's like this here. And again, this one for the ring, I used the size 1.2 and hammer the top. It's making a ring now. Thank you. Here. Then the second piece of the beads. Let's go through this beads and put it to the second. Here. This wrapper here, like this. Hello, Sabine. Happy to see you. Hi, Magnolia. You got all your package. Hi, elegant, my beautiful chains. Now I need a big rock to display. Okay, thank you. Wrapper. And the wrapper. This one is I use a 1.2 millimeter wire and 0.3 millimeter wire to make this ring. Okay, here. And put the next beads. It's this way. Just so much I love this cute stone here. wrapper and the wrapper and the wrapper. Here. Then we tight and tight. So this one is the ring like this. Yeah. Okay, then we can stop. We put 3 pieces of the beads at the end, each side. It's a so cute ring. This is one side, and I'm going to wrap the other side. Here is the clear quarter. Okay, we'll go to wrap another one. Here, I put the wire tight here. Okay. Wrap the top. Wrap the top. Here. We wrap the top. Here. And we are going to put the beads here. This one. And we tight. Then after tight it, we're going to wrap these beads base. It's just a wrapper like this way. Okay, thank you. Hello. Thank you so much, Thousand Crab. Okay. Yes, and we wrap several times. Here. Here. This one. And the way wrapper. And the way wrapper. Okay, make sure dinner is cooked and put away before Della gets home. Thank you. Then put the beads here. And the wrapper. So it's this and we wrapper. Okay, here wrapper. Okay, then wrapper. Here, don't get the notified for some reason lately. Don't know why. Maybe my channel not it's a little bit blocked. I'm not sure. Okay, here. So we wrapper and put the beads. This is the small cute clear quarter. wrapper and the wrapper and the wrapper. Okay, here then we're going to finish the wire here. Tight. Okay, so we finished the ring. Let's see. Yeah. This one. Hi, Iwa. Happy to see you. So we see the design here finished. It's a ring finished. If we want, we can put the piece of the ring the size smaller. If we want the size smaller, we can bend the shape. Okay. Just to make the size smaller like this. Okay, so the ring is finished now.